SAS Intelligent Decisioning completes the analytics lifecycle, enabling you to operationalize analytics models and combine them with business rules with a few clicks of a button to drive automated decisioning at scale. Let's explore SAS Intelligent Decisioning together. To open SAS Intelligent Decisioning, click the Applications menu in the upper left corner and select Build Decisions. Expand the left panel to view the corresponding descriptions for each of the icons in the toolbar. The home page provides quick access to recent objects and helpful links. The other items in the toolbar allow you to view and create decisions and other elements. I'll start by showing you a preview of the decision flow we will build together. Imagine you want to create a process to evaluate loan applications and determine if each loan should be approved or declined. There are obviously many factors that would go into this decision, but this flow illustrates a few of the potential steps. In the Decision Flow tab, we see an illustrated diagram that first predicts the likelihood a loan will default based on a gradient boosting model that was created and registered using SAS Model Studio. Applicants are then branched based on the probability of defaulting. Those with a very high probability are rejected. The rest are further evaluated to verify their debt-to-income ratio is below a certain threshold. Finally, a response message is generated indicating the outcome, approval or denial, and a short explanation for the decision. Obviously, this is a very simple example, and many more factors would be considered for a realistic loan application process. SAS Intelligent Decisioning has additional decision elements dedicated to different tasks you might want to perform beyond this tutorial, like treatment groups for tracking offers sent to a subject in a marketing campaign, A/B test nodes for evaluating your market strategies, segmentation trees for segmenting target populations, advanced lists for managing multi-value key lookups, code files, and custom functions for expanding the capabilities within your decision programmatically. Many of these elements can be incorporated in the decision flow through the click of a button, or drag and drop if you are accessing existing objects from your repository. Or they can easily be created from scratch through the intuitive low-code, no-code UI. This basic decision flow will get you started in SAS Intelligent Decisioning and will allow you to catch a vision of what is possible.